guys, I just put my squishy package. It just comes. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't wait to tell you guys. Oh my god, see that? Just bought it from starsebay.com/KJJP 16 South Bay Avenue, Amity Valley, New York or something. United States! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Let me open it up. I'm stuck. Oh man, what the hell is this? Oh man. Okay, so I'm done. Oh my god, I got extra. See? Oh my god, I got the extra. See, extra. Yay, hooray. It says, thanks. Hope you visit us again. Don't forget to sign up for my eBay newsletter. KJ's with eBay shop. Love. Hope you like Hello Kitty charm. Handmade by me. Love. So I'm not gonna be opening these. Oh my god, this is so cute. And now for the squishy. See that? The squishy. This is my first time buying the squishy. I ordered like 2 weeks ago. So how to open? Oh man. Oh man. Okay, fine, I got. Okay, so this is the squishy. Oh my god! My god! Ew! Duh. Oh man, how to take it out? Me, I'm just. Okay, fine, I got it. Oh man, don't cut the things, please. So yeah. Oh my god. So squishy. See the mirror? See the mirror? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, why is it so dirty? Oh man, oh my. But it still looks kind of cute. So yeah, oh my god, so squishy. Oh my god. See that? It is, the eye is a heart shape. See that? Eye is a heart shape, and the mouth. This is, I think this is falling in love. Oh my god. Oh my god. See the thing. So well, I don't know what to say. Oh my god, so squishy. But the downstairs more squishy than I thought. Oh my god, it was so squishy. So that's all. So bye. Extras, baby. Baby, extras.